Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Mask Monday. I am going to be doing this mask today. This is from the Creme Shop. It's Be Smooth Skin, and it's an animated red panda face mask. And I'm doing this mask in a collab with two other channels. So we have Teresa from Tea Time Adventures, and also Dave from the Fanatic Connecting Guru. This is a character mask, and Dave has been supporting the beauty community by doing Mask Mondays the last couple of Mondays, and I believe he said he's going to do them through the end of the year. I'm not really sure. He may change his mind, that's fine. But I sent him, oh, it smells so good. The Creme Shop masks smell good. They're not strong, which is good, but this is going to be really cute. I sent him a mask. I had bought, came in a 3-pack. I bought those and I sent him one, and I sent Teresa Tea Time Adventures one. And we decided to do a collab together. So there's my little nose and mouth, and oh, I'm getting some in my mouth, youch. Anyway, so let me tell you a little bit about the two channels. There's a lot of essence in here, y'all. Fanatic Connecting Guru. His name is Dave. I'm not sure exactly when he started his channel, but when I first met him, he had found me. He goes out and finds channels to showcase, to show us to other channels to help us grow. And that is what he's been doing. And he has had a bunch of channels that he has promoted, and some of the lady channels that he was promoting said, hey, we'd like to see some beauty channels. So he went out and found us. He found a bunch of us, and he has been promoting us. And thank you so much, Dave. It's been an honor. I appreciate you so much. I've met a lot of nice people through Dave, a lot of good channels, and a lot of channels that are not beauty related and just something different. So it's nice sometimes to see something different. Isn't this cute, y'all? So all three of us are going to have these masks on, okay? And also T from Tea Time Adventures. I've known T for almost as long as I've had my channel. She has been a subscriber of mine, and she has been doing Mask Mondays for a very long time as well. And she's been mostly doing them on Instagram. So a while back, I don't remember, T, you'll have to tell, was it springtime? Maybe? She decided to start a channel. And we've been trying to encourage her to do that for a while. There's a lot of essence on this sheet mask, and it's going in my mouth, y'all. Youch. So we've been trying to encourage T to start a channel. And she started one, and she's doing fantastic. So she's just, she's a good friend, and Dave is a good friend. He just is so helpful to so many. And T likes to do unboxings. And like I said, go see, if you're interested in different channels, if your family or your spouse or significant other is interested in, like, I don't want to watch beauty all day long, maybe you can find them some good channels through Dave. I shouldn't say maybe, I know you will. He showcases all kinds of channels. Okay, so this is my mask, and then to celebrate this collab, Teresa and I are doing a small giveaway. So I will tell you that what you have to do toward the end, okay? So you do not have to be subscribed to the other channels. If you'd like to, that would be great, but we won't, demand that or anything. So I have some sheet masks for you. But in the meantime, let me show you. I got some great friend mail, so let me show you that. I've been away, and I came back to town, and let me make sure there's no addresses. I got a bunch of mail, so I have cut them open, and I'm gonna just start opening them. This is from Mari Choco. Mari, what is your name on YouTube? I think it's Mari Choco. Mari Choco. I think it might be okay to say her full name, but I'm not going to. because I forgot to ask her, but look at her pretty flower on there. Whoops. Let's see what's in here. Pretty card. I can see that already. Oh, it says thanks. Isn't that a pretty card? And, oh, there's some stickers inside. Oh, look at that, y'all. That pretty butterfly. It says, Mary, thank you so much for the amazing giveaway win. Mari won from me recently. It says, loving all the lip products. Can't wait to start using the skincare products. The Dew of the Gods eye pads were so nice and enjoying the pineapple lip scrub. Oh, great. I'm so glad you're looking at Mari. I say her name wrong all the time, y'all, because I had asked her how to say her name, and maybe I said it right that time. And when she explained it to me, I misunderstood, and I've been saying it wrong. I think it's Mari. Oh, Mari, you'll have to let me know. I was saying Maury, but that is not correct. I think it's Mari. So thank you so much, Mari. You did not have to send me a thank you. My giveaways are thank yous to y'all, but I do appreciate a card. And look at her. She has beautiful handwriting, y'all. Beautiful handwriting. And she sent me some cute little stickers. Look at these. Smiley faces. Love them. This one says, keep going. And here's a kitty cat playing. And a beautiful butterfly. Oh, and look at this pretty kitty. A calico. This one says, love yourself. And these are beautiful cherry blossoms. Oh, and there's Winnie the Pooh in his honey pot. And another kitty cat. Thank you, Mari. I love those. I love to get the stickers. I love to get the stickers. Thank you. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I got a card from Janet G on YouTube. And this says Thanksgiving on it. Isn't that pretty? And Janet is a lovely subscriber. Mari does not have a channel. She's a subscriber. And so is Janet does not have a channel. And I'll try to tell you that as I go. This is beautiful. It says give thanks. And I'm sure I received this before Thanksgiving, y'all, but I was away. It says, hi, Mary. Hope you have just a wonderful Thanksgiving. Love you much. Love, Janet. Happy Thanksgiving. This is so cute. The turkey inside. That's a beautiful card, Janet. Thank you so much. Look how pretty that card is. It's decorated so nice. Thank you, Janet. I hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving. I think, what's her name's talking to herself. And then I got a card from Miss Sally Cookie. And let's see, Miss Sally is, what is your name on YouTube? It's escaped me. Something Rose. Sally's name was Sally Cookie on YouTube, and then she got hacked on Instagram. So she changed her name. And it's something, why can't I not think of it? I see it every day because she's a fabulous subscriber. She comments every day. But oh, this is a Christmas card. Look how pretty is that? I need to be getting my Christmas cards ready, y'all. It says, holly is the symbol of Christ's birth. Hang high the holly and celebrate with mirth. Dear Mary, Smudge, and Blue, may the joy of this Christmas season remain with you throughout the year. And when they were come into the house, they saw the young child with Mary, his mother, and fell down and worshipped him. That's Matthew 2:11. Love, Sally. Peach Rose. She wrote that in here because she knows that I'm so forgetful. Thank you so much, Sally. That's beautiful. That's my first Christmas card this year, y'all. Thank you, Miss Sally. It's beautiful. I love that. Now, Sally does not have a channel, and the next two have channels. So we have Brandy. Let me see Brandy's card, what it says. Oh, it's a Christmas card. Oh, wait, hang on. Oh, how nice. Okay, hang on. Okay. This is my second Christmas card. How pretty is that? Very, very pretty. Thank you, Brandy. Brandy is Brandy's Unboxings and More. It says warmest holiday wishes. Mary, wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May God give you a great upcoming year full of love and laughter. God bless, Brandy. Oh, Brandy, that's so sweet. Thank you so much. And Brandy does have a channel, and I'll put anybody with a channel, I'll put below for sure, so that you can go find them if you don't know them already. Brandy's a sweetheart. She's been doing Mask Mondays, and she does a few unboxings, and she's done some Get Ready With Me's, and she does pretty makeup. And she also sent me this lovely Today's Prayer card. Isn't that beautiful? It says, commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Proverbs 16:3. Thank you, Brandy. That's so nice. Very, very nice. And you'll like her channel if you go see her. She's just real down to earth. And then this card is from Janelle Naylor. And Janelle has a channel. And now Janelle had a, let me think about it. Her name was Janelle. Janelle, did you use your whole name? Janelle Naylor, I think, was her channel name. And she changed it. So, okay, here it is. She put inside Janelle Naylor. It's called Janelle Naylor Beauty in Blindness. So Miss Janelle is blind. And if y'all don't know her, you should go see her too as well. She sent me a beautiful Thanksgiving card, wishing you a beautiful Thanksgiving. And Janelle is, does unboxings, and she does Mask Monday. And she's done some collabs and some makeup and things like that. And she's really enjoying her channel. She came out of nowhere. She was a subscriber, and then she started to do a channel. So that was lots of fun. This says, as Thanksgiving comes to your home, this greeting brings you your way many heartfelt wishes for a very special day. A day of peace and plenty, a day of love and laughter, a day for making memories you'll keep forever after. Thank you so much, Janelle. That's beautiful. Beautiful Thanksgiving card. Look at that nice gold on there. So that's my friend mail, y'all, and it's so nice to get friend mail. It's just so comforting. To me, it's so comforting to get friend mail. And I thank y'all so much. You don't have to ever send me anything, but I thank y'all so much. I have a little giveaway with this collab. Teresa from Tea Time Adventures and I are going to give you away some masks. And what we'd like you to do is, you don't have to be subscribed to all 3 channels, but you have to be subscribed to me to win my giveaway. So what I'd like you to do is go and watch the other videos that I will have, the Mask Mondays for Fanatic Connecting Guru Dave and Tea Time Adventures Teresa. And I will put their videos in the description as soon as I can. In the meantime, though, their channel names will be in the description so you can find them. So I have 4 masks for you. And the first one is, I don't know how to say it. If it's Planist or Plainest or whatever the brand. These are nice masks. I have had, not this one, but I've had the, what's this? The other, I've had another one. Can't think of the name of the animal. Oh my goodness, y'all. Anyway, this is the Fox. This says Radiant Facial Mask. It's not a character mask like this. I believe it's just plain white, but it's a nice mask. This one is a vitamin C mask. And then I have a Tony Moly mask. This is Fresh to Go tomato mask sheet. This looks like a container from the grocery store with tomatoes in it. See how cute that is? And Tony Moly, we know that they're fantastic masks. And that will be, with tomato will be some good vitamin C also probably. And then this is one of my favorite masks, and these are hard to come by because they're just are. This is the SF Glam Straight Gold Foil Face Mask. And this mask is printed with the animal print. And lovely mask, I love it. And then I also have a little something different. Instead of a 4th mask, I have, this is from Stylevana. I had purchased this from them, from their website. This is Pure Derm Ultra Nourishing Watermelon Pads. So there are 10 pads in this package, and it is resealable. There's a Ziploc right here. And what you do with these pads is you just put them on your face. You can use 1, you can use 2, you can use 3 or 4 at a time, whatever you want. You can lay down, close your eyes, and put them on your eyes. You can put one on your forehead if you want. You can put them on your cheeks if you'd like. You can do whatever you want. You can lay them here if you like. Whatever you want. There's 10. So you can use them 5 times on your eyes. You know, whatever you'd like to do. So if you would like to win these masks, say enter me. That's all you have to do. And you have to comment on Dave's Mask Monday video. And you have to comment on T's Mask Monday video. And like I said, I'll have them in the description. So that is my Mask Monday for today. Thank you so much for the friend mail, ladies. I love it. And I'll put all the channels in the description for you to find them if you don't know them yet. And count your blessings, y'all. Have a wonderful Monday. Bye-bye.